Hear me?
Yes, I can hear you and I can see you as well.
Okay. So, how
So,
are you?
so I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm good.
So, little bit introduce yourself first, bro.
Okay. So, I am from West Bengal, and my
Yeah.
name is Pappu Khatik, and I'm learning English 4 months. I have learning English for 4 months, and I want to learn English because I'm passionate about it, and I learning English just for myself, and I'm trying to practice in some new people's. So that's why I'm trying to connect you, and now I'm calling you.
Thank you very much. Okay, I'm happy that somehow you message me that you want to talk with me. So let's
Yeah,
where I think you are in the field right now.
yeah, I'm in the field. I'm on the
Okay.
field right now.
Wow, your scenery is really beautiful. uh,
Okay, you
yeah.
can. So where are you from, Anand?
Uh, I am from Bihar, okay, and the northernmost part of the Bihar. The name of the district is Darbhanga.
Okay, Darbhanga Jilla. Okay,
Yeah,
but now this your district is I mean I can say the under the water because there are flood situation in your
yeah.
district.
Fortunately, I am in Darbhanga city right now. That's why I am, safe from water. Otherwise, all around my city, okay, after my city, there is a water everywhere and there is flood.
Uh, okay. So what do you do? Do you job any or anything?
No, I have no any job, but I have my private. I do my own job. I mean, I have a coaching center. Okay, institute. I used to run it from last 3 years.
Okay. So I think you teach some English.
Yes, I teach English, and below the class 10th, I used to teach lots of subjects.
Okay. So you are a teacher.
Yeah.
Okay. So
So
I'm
what do
also a beginner level and I want to learn English. So please give me some tips. How can I improve my English and how can I as first as learn English?
Okay, as far as I can see you, I think your English is good. As I mean, your English is good in comparison to average Indian, and at a initial stage, I mean, at a beginning stage. So, first of all, I will tell you the first and foremost thing while you are speaking English that you have to be confident. Okay,
Yeah.
uh, you have to be just confident that you are speaking very good English. Okay, I mean not that you do not realize your mistake. You have to realize your mistake too. But when you are speaking or communicating with someone, that you have to just think that I'm speaking very good English. Okay, and the second thing is that you will have to always practice to speak English. Practice wherever you are. It doesn't matter. You should try to think in English. You should try to mug up the words. Okay. Uh, just for example, right now I'm in this room. Okay, I'm alone. So I will talk with walls if there is nobody. Okay, with whom I can practice English. Just I can practice in front of mirror with the wall and these stuff.
You practice
And
with yourself when
yourself.
you are alone. Yeah. You practice
Yes,
with yourself. Okay.
yourself.
Yeah.
So
Many teachers are say these things. Please practice with yourself and in front of the mirror and think about English whenever you get chance and whatever you do in your whole day. So every content is if in English, then you will benefit to learn English as fast as you can.
yeah, and the third tip is that you should fall in love with English. I means it means that you have to immerse yourself into English. Okay, you should do lots of activity in English. Just like if you are watching any sports game, you should try to listen English commentary. If you want to watch a movie, you should try to watch English movies. Okay, and if you are interested in songs, you too can watch songs. But I think it is little bit difficult to understand song initially in English.
Yeah, I
But
don't listen song, but I also watching. I'm try to watching some English content videos, actually conversation videos, and many interviews, and these are things I'm also watching.
yeah, so these things will only help you to speak English. And I already told two things is very crucial. I'm going to conclude these two things. First is that be confident, and second is that you have to mug up. It means practice with yourself always. Keep practicing in your mind. Okay, you have to never you give up. Whenever you are alone or wherever you are, you have to at least you should try to think in English. If you can't speak, then you should always keep thinking in English.
Yeah. Actually, whatever you say, I am practicing that things. I practice. I try to think in listening, think in English, and nowadays I'm practicing. I'm reading some books, and try to writing something. Whatever I did in the my whole days. So, but actually, my problem is I don't have any partner to speak with him. So I'm finding some numbers in YouTube, and one of yours number, and I'm trying to connect with these people and trying to talk with them. So because practice with alone with ourselves, it's good, but whenever you talk with other people, then you should some experience they sharing her experience about her learning English, how they learn, how they practice English. So you get some experience and knowledge from there. So it would be helpful for your process of learning English.
Definitely, you are absolutely right, and I think the level of your English is quite good. To now, you can you should search a partner to speak with them. I mean, now if you are not at that level where you will only talk to yourself. Okay, I told those things for beginners who are going to begin to speak English. They should try to at least first talk with themselves in front of mirror, because lots of people sometimes make a fun if you are talking with them. So I first but I never cared about people.
Yeah, that is. Uh,
Yeah, even when I was beginner, lots of people made my fun, but that was time. Right now I think I'm really improving day by day, and that people is clapping for me, that
yeah,
really.
your speaking is so good.
Thank you,
You
but
get you get some fluency. You
yeah,
don't stuck in words, and you can't stop to find the words. You talking in fluent way. So your talking is
yeah,
so good.
yeah, and definitely this is only the speaking or learning a language. It takes time. I have been practicing these things for 4 years, and if I talk about these things, I mean I have been intensely reading English for 3 months, last 3 months. Okay, before that I was off and on used to learn English, and I had no lots of time to learn English. But nowadays, because of this virus, my institute is closed, and I have enough time to practice English. So I'm practicing nowadays.
But I'm practice. I have been practicing, or you can say I am learning from 4 months, and I'm just speaking to other people. Is speaking practice just 20 days ago. Actually, I have installed a app, uh, Buddy Talk apps, and
Buddy
I
talk,
try
yes.
to call. Yeah, I try to call over this app and practicing with people. So I'm just speaking with someone 20 days ago. I started to speaking with someone 20 days ago, and
Yes, definitely.
I practicing from watching some YouTube videos, and I have follow a YouTube videos, and that name is in Bengali. Actually, I am a Bengali medium student, but so I follow the Bengali content videos. So I'm watching these videos and improving in at our home, and I'm don't go any kind of course or any kind of institute.
Definitely, I think nowadays you have to not, spend lots of money to just learn English. I think internet is, big platform to learn English. And if you
Yeah.
are giving, if you are interested in speaking English, definitely you can learn it very fast, because internet is helping you to. Every content is available on internet. So,
Okay.
okay, yeah,
Thank you. Thank you.
bye bye.
Bye.